Good morning, Houston. We have a problem. Why is it 75 degrees in the house when this is set to 60? According to my Apple Watch, it is 88 degrees outside. So our air conditioner has decided it does not want to work. It's a great start to the summer, I'm telling you. Great start to the summer. Should have gone to the pool today and not yesterday. All right, we're out of the house. 94 degrees on my car. 91 degrees.
Mommy, you just said 94 degrees on your car.
Yeah, the car thermometer says it's 94 degrees. I am just discombobulated and disoriented. I'm so hot. So, hot weather calls for cold goodness. You are right, Naomi. Say it again.
Hot weather calls for cold goodness.
Cold goodness. And there is only one place
One place in the world.
to get the cold goodness.
Cold goodness.
What flavor did you get?
I got pina colada in my tie.
Noelle, what flavor did you get?
I got mango colada.
I got grenade and fruitasia. So hopefully it tastes good. It's gonna be cool. It'll be fine. Whew, it's hot. Okay, you heard what I got. Fruitasia and grenade.
I got pina colada in my tie.
Yep, that's good.
I always get pina colada no matter what. Pina colada is a different flavor. Usually it's mango, but I decided to do something different. My tie tastes like an apple.
The only thing you can do today is find a cool space to be and eat cool things.
This is so much better.
And nothing else is acceptable. So wherever you are, stay warm, folks. Stay warm.
Stay cold.
Stay cold, folks. Stay cool.
Unless you're anywhere that's naturally cold, you need to stay warm. Like Alaska. Or like.
Isn't it winter time in Australia right now?
Oh my gosh.
Brain freeze.
I would kill to go to Australia right
You
now.
got a brain freeze?
No, winter time isn't winter time in Australia. It's still hot.
But it's summertime in Australia right now, right? I mean, it's winter in Australia right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's cold. It's hot over here. And because they're in the eastern hemisphere, yeah. So if you're in Australia, bundle up. But if you're over here in North Carolina, find a cool place to be. Okay, just an update for you. We do have air. It is 10:34. We got home about 5:30. The air conditioning guy came about 6 o'clock. I made banana bread. We cooled down. My mom came over and we had Chick-fil-A for dinner because I didn't have the energy to do anything else. I just washed my face, did my skincare, and now I am gonna try to get this finished by Friday, because I want to read another book. I heard a lot about this book. It is pretty good so far. I'm about halfway done. I think I'm on chapter 21 or 20. I'm on chapter 25. So I'm on chapter 25, and I'll be done with this by Friday. But also, I'm exhausted. We are only 3 days into summer vacation, and your girl is spent. I'm tired. But tomorrow's another day. We'll see what we do tomorrow. Good night, y'all.